Yo, you're not ready for this. You think you know campers, vans? Nah, forget all that. Volkswagen just dropped a 2026 motorhome that doesn't drive. It glides like a billionaire's daydream on wheels. Let's start with the exterior, alright? This ain't your uncle's rusty weekend trailer. No, this thing looks like a spaceship had a baby with a 5-star resort. You pull up in this and people stop. Birds pause mid-air. Dogs turn their heads. Your ex might even text you back. Yeah, it's that powerful. You got these sharp LED matrix lights that could light up a whole forest. The grille? Clean, smooth. It's like Volkswagen gave it a skincare routine. The whole body has that sleek aerodynamic curve that says, I go fast, but I camp classy. And the paint job? Oof. Optional two-tone finish, gloss levels so high it reflects your future. One touch of that side panel and boom, you just got upgraded to VIP in life. And then, you open the door. Boom, the interior is like stepping into the lobby of a luxury hotel that just happens to move 0 to 60 in under 8 seconds. First thing you notice? Space. Real, stretch your legs, throw a dance party kind of space. You don't. Walk inside, you strut. We're talking premium upholstery, mood lighting that you can customize with a tap like you're DJing your own vibe. Ambient lights turn blue when you're chillin', red when you're racing the storm, and gold when you're just feeling royal. Kitchen setup? Psh, it's a full-on chef suite, induction cooktop, smart fridge, concealed sink with a faucet smoother. Then your last apology text. There's even an espresso machine that wakes up before you do. And the bathroom? Hold up, this ain't no airplane closet. This is a walk-in wet room with a rainfall shower head and more marble than your rich friends. Instagram. You come out of there feeling like you just meditated in the Himalayas, sleeping, queen-size bed, no more convertible couch that's secretly a torture device. Nah, this mattress hugs you like your grandma used to, back when life made sense. Now, let's talk performance, because yeah, it looks hot, but can it move? Can it handle? Can it deliver? Oh baby, yes it can. This beast comes with an electrified hybrid V6 pushing over 340 horsepower, and when it kicks in, it doesn't hum, it growls. All-wheel drive, adaptive suspension. It doesn't just drive. Through the mountains, it conquers them. And when you're cruising on the highway, that thing eats miles like popcorn. Smooth ride, whisper quiet cabin. You'll forget you're even moving until you see everyone else you just passed in your rearview mirror crying. Want tech? You got it. Gigantic touchscreen with voice assistant that actually listens. Not like your friends. Wireless everything. Solar roof panels. 360-degree camera system that makes parking this thing easier than parking a scooter. And now, let's talk money. You think this level of luxury comes cheap? Starting price, around $135,000. Yeah, that's a down payment on a house, or a full payment on freedom, on status, on being that guy. But with all these features, it's a rolling penthouse. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying flex. You're buying gasps when you roll up at the campsite like you just left the Monaco Grand Prix. Bottom line, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is not a camper. It's not a van, it's a statement. And that statement says, I don't camp, I conquer. So if you're still sitting there wondering if this ride is for you, maybe it's not. Maybe you're not ready. Maybe you're not built for this kind of lifestyle. But if you are, then buckle up, King. Your throne awaits.